Hello everyone and welcome back to Keyboard Surfers. So if you are new here, then hi. So if you have clicked on this video, you probably wanna learn how to code. But before learning how to code, you should know some things that should be like 100% sure in your mind. So we will be covering all those things in today's video. But before we do that, I would like you all to think that why do you want to code for 3 seconds. I hope that you have thought about it. So the next thing that comes in our mind is that how can I start with coding? That is the most basic question. So to start with coding, first thing is that you should know what is coding. So coding in other words can be said as programming. So programming can be defined as okay, let's take a life example. Here you can see that in India people mostly speak Hindi while in some other country like USA, people mostly speak in English. So these are just some different choices. So programming is like also consisting of many languages like in our real world. In our real world we have Hindi, English, French, German, etc. While in programming we have different languages like C++, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS and much more. You will learn about them later. So in programming in simple words can be a language for computers. So this language can be used to interact with the computer in simple words. So after you know that what is coding, you should start thinking that where do you want to code? Like there are many languages. Just now I told you HTML, JavaScript, Python, C++, and there are much more. So the next question that arrives in our mind is that where to start from. So as you can see on your screen, there are many languages. These are just four of these. So if you want like what I did, so basically I started with Python. But after I learned two, three more languages, I am pretty sure that if you want to be a full-time developer, you should start with HTML. Yes, I will tell you why you should start with HTML, but it is not at all necessary that you start with HTML. My About me, I didn't knew about that HTML was a language that existed. So I just knew about Python and JavaScript. So I started with Python. But I when I learned started learning Python, I got to know about many other languages. So it's just on you that which language you want to choose. But according to me, for a beginner, you should choose an HTML. And if you want to choose any other language, I will come to that later. Now first let's go that why should we choose HTML? This is a big question that arrives in our mind and gives some question bubbles. So why should you choose HTML? In simple words, you can say that you should choose HTML because it is the most basic language you could start with. So if your first language will be an easy one, then it will be easier for you to understand like complex languages. Like C++ is a very complex language, you can't go with it. So if you have a goal, what should you do? Now we know that if you want to be a developer, you should start with HTML. But what if you have a goal? Like you want to be a data scientist, you want to be a game developer. So if you have a goal, then you should go with that language only. It is not at all necessary that you start with HTML. But if you will go with any other language, like in the beginning only you want to go with, let's say, Python, like I did, so it will be a difficult ride for you, but it is not impossible, it can be done. So like now in your mind you should have a clear thing that which language you should choose. Now in the beginning I asked you that why do you want to code. Now just think in your mind that why do I want to code? Is that like I just want to code because the world is learning it, or I want to create something? So this thing should be clear in your mind. And after you have decided it, just compare it with the language you have chosen. Like you have selected like let's say I selected I want to be a game developer in those 3 seconds in the beginning. Now I am here. So what do I want to do? I have a goal now. So I should choose a language according to that goal only. I want to be a game developer. I want to be a data scientist. I'll choose Python or whatever I want to. It is not at all necessary that you only begin with HTML because it's easy and it will be easier for you to understand it. So I hope that you have now like clear thought in your mind that where do you start want to start it. So congratulations for that. Now this was it for this video. Like I hope that you in your mind there's a clear image why do you want to learn coding. So this was only the basis that I this was only the use of this video. If you are watching this, then it should be clear to you where do you want to start coding from. And from further, I am going to start a series on HTML on our channel. So if you want to learn HTML, then subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you found this video helpful, just like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions, then just comment down below. Thank you for this. This was it for this video. See you next time.